and galleys as we are practicing social distancing as well. Here are a few reminders to help keep yourself and others healthy. Wash your hands with soap and water often for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your mouth, eyes, and nose. Cover with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Please refrain from placing used cleaning wipes, tissues, or other disposable items in the seat pocket or toilets.
Fitting into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. And just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. All flights from the retainer clip to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put
seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisle clear of all carry-on items. In an effort to create more space between customers on board the aircraft, we will deplane a few rows at a time, starting from the front of the aircraft to the back.
Brightest red you've ever seen.